I'm not that kind of burger. This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them, and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine cheeseburger shaker fries made with 100% Aussie potatoes, and when you add the taste of cheeseburger, magic happens. Enjoy the return of cheeseburger shaker fries while they're around. And cheeseburger, the legendary combo of 100% Aussie beef, onions, pickle, ketchup, mustard and cheese, all in a soft burger bun. Well, I'm guessing that the $6.40 that I paid for this didn't include the magic shaker bag and cheeseburger seasoning. What am I supposed to just put it in the bag and shake the two together? Well, at least the cheeseburger's intact, I guess. Well, cheese, pickle, ketchup, mustard, patty, no onion. Well, another Still, I made the video, and if you're watching it, why not make it official and stay connected? We think you will like it. Hey, fluffy buns, can I insert my girth between those flaps of yours? Certainly not. I'm not that kind of burger. Cheesy as it sounds, I am French, and I am just a chip. Well, you're a bit greasy, but it sounds so exotic. So please be gentle. French in every crevice. I'm gonna crumb. After watching all the other Aussie YouTubers and doing some sciencey stuff, just using me genius level intelligence, I had a McShitany and reached the abdominal concussion that they all said the same fry sashy fry thingy smelled like pickle. So it must be made of Dylan salt, the pickling agents from that 80s detective show. So peel and chop a couple of spuds. Make them about that sort of size. Boil them using water and caster sugar. Pat them dry and set them aside. Put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Now roll out your meat patty. Make it just a little bit bigger than the bun. Chuck a knob of butter in a fry pan. Cut your butter. Place the crown and the heel inside the frying pan, just to give it a nice toasty, glossy, salty taste. Chuck your meat in the fry pan. Make sure you toss it. Add some onion powder, some salt and some pepper. Put some dill and some salt into a mortar and pestle and give it a good smash. Then chuck your chips in the oil. I'm using veggie oil at about 180 degrees. Drain the chips, add the seasoning and give them a good shake. Peel patty cheese, pickle, onion, and on the crown, add your mustard and tomatoes. Cop a gobful of that. Not bad for under $4. Tell you what, I'm not sure how it's supposed to taste, but that's pretty bloody good. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.